Hey OFRA Beauties, it's Steph here, and today I've got a date night makeup tutorial for you. I just think that the eyes are the window to the soul, and especially on a date night, you know, you're going to be making that eye contact. You want your eyes to just be looking bomb, sultry, smoky, and of course we've got a beautiful matte lip that's going to be long lasting. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, be sure to keep on watching. We're going smoky today, so I'm starting off with the eyes first, and then I'll move on to the face. We're going to be using the Professional Eyeshadow palette, and as you guys can see, we've got everything from bronzy tones to pops of colors and your perfect neutral mattes. I'm going to start out by blending this French mocha shade into my crease, and then we're going to keep on building it up. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with some Bossy eyes. This is a liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the shade 5 Star. They just make it so easy with the Bossy eyes to just go ahead and cut the crease, and it's amazing pigment, and it's also a great base for a very extreme shimmer if you guys want that little moment. So I'm going to go ahead and just swipe this over, and I will have a nice cut crease. Now that my shadow is done and the crease is cut with that beautiful Bossy eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some verified liner to add a quick low wing, and then I'm going to go in with some concealer just to finish up the rest of my face for the base so I can add the rest of the eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And now after this, I am going to go ahead and go in with some HD volumizing mascara to give some life to these lashes. We're going to go ahead and add some color to the face now, so I'm going into the Unit Blushzer. I love this stuff because all you got to do is just swirl it around and you've got bronzer and blush already on your brush. So let's go ahead and just do a little swirl in here, tap it off, and start adding it to these cheekbones. Bringing some life back into this face. For highlight, you know we gotta get that OFRA glow. I'm gonna go into the Sweet Electric Midi palette, and this is the shade Blissful in here. Now, of course, it's available in its single, but I also love the Midi palette because we've got a bronzer, blush, and also highlight in one. So I'm gonna go into Blissful, and again, just do a little swirl and tap, and get that glow on. Of course, we can't forget our inner corner, so I'm getting a small little detail brush and dipping back into Blissful, and just popping that right in there. For my lips today, I'm going to be going in and lining them with Spicy Lip Liner because it's so universal for literally almost every nude. You can use it for everything. And then I'm going to be applying Harbour liquid lipstick. Alrighty, OFRA Beauties, this is officially the finished date night makeup look. I hope you guys love it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up right down there, and also don't forget to subscribe to OFRA's YouTube channel if you guys haven't already. If there's any products featured in this video that you absolutely loved, they're all available on OFRAcosmetics.com, and you guys can always use code STEPH to save a little extra money on your order. I love you all so much. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one.